What is up, guys? It's your boy Samuel Max. We're back out here with another video, and today we're doing something a little different. We're I just got this new scooter for Christmas. Check it out. Look at this thing. Woo! Look at how nice this thing is. Isn't it nice? Look, we got the backlights right there. Look at that thing. Look at it. Woo! It is a Tomoloo Electrical scooter. Very good build. This is the back brake, front brake, throttle. This is the modes. So look, let me just turn it on. See, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. So the first mode is 9 miles an hour. Second mode, 18 miles an hour. Third mode is 25 miles an hour. It's full. If you go down a very steep hill, it's going to be 27 miles an hour. So yeah, this thing is pretty nice. Look down here. Also, you see that? That's the charging spot. There's a cover right there, so I'm gonna take it off. But see, that's what it's supposed to plug in. There's a protector for no dust to get in it, because this thing can go off-roading, so no dust gets in it, ruins it. So, see, here's the charger. It came with it. It's glowing green in there because it's not plugged in. But there's a couple lines that show when it's like full and stuff. If you guys want to see, look, you see, there's only 4 lines, so you can see that. Oh, and I forgot to show you. Here's the lights. These are the lights. Look, you just press this and it turns them on. See, it's on. So now you just turn it. You press this one right here, and they're off. So I'm gonna be testing this thing out. I'm gonna do some speed and stuff. Speed test maybe. It's a little too cold today. My hands are freezing right now. It's 44 degrees outside. It's pretty cold. So I'm gonna have to wait to do it tomorrow when it warms up way warmer. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
forth and I try to, I want to show the viewers me wheeling.
I'm gonna ride my hoverboard.
Yeah, he's gonna ride my hoverboard. I'm in third gear. You in second only. Look, I'm wheeling. I did a wheelie. That was so sick. Frick. Guys, this is so sick. This is so sick, guys. I'm riding a new electrical. Oh, 25. Look, automatic go. This has a mode. If you keep giving it gas for a long time, you let off the throttle, it will just automatically go, like automatically. See, I'm not even holding the throttle right now and it's still going. Look, see, that's the throttle. See it? I'm not holding it. If I press it again, look. See? And it starts slowing. We're gonna go all the way down here and we'll see what's up. This thing is so sick. Oh, shoot. Oh, that would have been so bad. My scooter would have been screwed. This scooter is an electrical scooter like my old one, and it can't get wet. So if this hit that, oh my god. There's water literally everywhere down here. I gotta go like on the, oh my, there's puddles everywhere. I gotta make a way down here. All right, let's go. Guys, this is so sick. All right, we're gonna go back up. This is so sick. Fix my light real quick. I got a light on here, if I haven't told you guys that. I think I did. Guys, this is so sick, right? This is literally, I've never done this before. The last year, I was riding an electrical scooter, and it goes in smooth surfaces. This goes in like rough surfaces, like gravel and off-roading. And I'm fixing to get wet again. Oh, shoot. There's no way around that. I gotta go through over here. It's muddy. I gotta get somehow over here. I still hit mud. Oh, I almost fell into that water. That would have not been good. The tire still got muddy. This is such a bad idea. Frick. It's looking wet. It's just for some reason wet everywhere. Like, what the heck? Look at the bell. I just love pressing that bell. If you guys haven't noticed. Alright, run. And guys, if you haven't known, Ethan has a hoverboard on Seymour Vlogs, we see, and he got a new one. So, he's testing that out. Frick. What's going on over here? Ah! I'm not telling you. Wait until you get to open it.
Start with it.
Ah, guys, he wants me to freaking tell him. No, it's not a... You think an electrical scooter can fit in that? The box was way bigger than that when I got this thing on that. Can you try to get on this? Hey, Ethan.
No beer or anything? Or no snacks, anything?
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe right now because we're almost at 30 subscribers. I really appreciate all the people that have subscribed to me so far. And I just got new merch. You can see, look, Samuel Max right here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.